Purchasing Tron Trx within the Trust Wallet app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to acquire TRX tokens seamlessly. Begin by opening your device's web browser. Navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Once on the CoinMarketCap site, locate the search bar and enter Tron Trx to find the relevant information. Click on the Tron Trx listing to access its details. Scroll down the page until you find the contract link for Tron Trx. Copy the contract link provided for Tron Trx. Now open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Scroll down within the app and tap on the search bar. Paste the copied Tron Trx contract link into the search bar within the Trust Wallet app. Toggle on the option for TRX within the Trust Wallet to enable TRX functionality. With TRX enabled within your Trust Wallet, you can proceed to buy Tron Trx tokens directly within the app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to purchase Tron Trx within the Trust Wallet app.